Fashion technology. The future of smart clothing and wearable tech. Introduction. Fashion technology is revolutionizing the way we dress, blending style with cutting-edge innovations. From AI-powered clothing recommendations to smart fabrics that change colors, fashion tech is pushing the boundaries of creativity and functionality. In this video, we'll explore the latest trends in fashion technology and how they're shaping the future of wearable fashion. 1. Smart fabrics and wearable tech. Clothing with embedded sensors to track health metrics. Temperature adjusting fabrics for comfort. LED and e-textiles that change color and display digital content. 2. AI and 3D printing in fashion. AI-driven fashion assistants for personalized outfit suggestions. 3D printed shoes and garments for sustainable fashion. Virtual try-on technology for online shopping. 3. Augmented reality, AR, and virtual reality, VR, in fashion. Virtual fitting rooms using VR fashion shows and digital clothing. AI-generated fashion designs for sustainability and smart manufacturing. AI-driven waste reduction in fashion production. Bio-fabricated materials like lab-grown leather. Blockchain for transparent supply chains. Fashion technology is not just about aesthetics, it's about enhancing comfort, sustainability, and personalization. As AI, AR, and smart fabrics continue to evolve, the way we interact with fashion will transform dramatically. Subscribe for more tech and fashion innovation content.